Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Today we learned how to film in Snapchat without holding recording button. This is very simple process, so don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Snapchat and hold the circle button and swipe the left side, and you can see without holding button record the video. This is very simple process. Everyone can do it easily. And so yeah, I hope this video helpful for you and you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video and leave the comment and below and press the bell icon. Take care. Bye bye.